Hey internet, this is Bharat, your weekend farmer. Welcome to another episode. Today we have a new product, a portable power sprayer from Kisan Kraft. Let's unbox and see what and all we get inside this. This is how the packaging looks. They have given the list of items we will be getting inside this box. Let's see how each one looks. The first thing we will be getting is a 15-meter spraying hose, a 2.5-meter suction hose, and another 2.5-meter return hose. And inside the box we have the pump. This is the portable sprayer. Let's look at this later. And we'll be getting a user manual with few extra accessories, spare parts and tools. And this will be the fuel oil mixture. Since this is a two-stroke engine, you might need to add oil with the fuel. So this one aside. This one is a strainer for the suction hose. And these are the few attachments. And this is the spraying nozzle. All the components which we will be getting in the box. Now let's see how this portable sprayer looks like. This thing roughly weighs around 11 kgs. So it has two components. One the engine part, and this is the aluminium pump with it. The whole setup is mounted on this metal frame which looks very sturdy and has rubber paddings. Now let's talk about this engine. This is 26cc two-stroke petrol engine. This is the starter relay, and we have the fuel tank over here. Now let's talk about the aluminium pump part. This thing can pump up to 420 liters per hour. It has the suction hose is connected over here, and this is the overflow hose is connected over here. And we have the pressure control knob. And over this side we have single outlet over here. And coming to this side we have the throttle control. This is high and this is a low. And we have this stop switch placed right next to this throttle. So that's all, pretty much complete overview of this pump. It's pretty lightweight and easy to carry. So let's overall build quality looks decent. The metal finishes are pretty good, but they could have done better with the plastics used. It feels very flimsy. So for the price of 10,800, it looks like a decent machine. That's my first impressions. I have to put this machine to use and see how well it performs. So that's all for today's unboxing and first impressions. More videos on this product will be out soon. We get a 50% subsidy from the central government for this agriculture products. That's all for today's video. Thank you for farming with me today. See you all in the next video. Till then, take care. Jai Hind.